Hi, good day everyone. Your man Jonathan here. I'm back with another tutorial. Today I'll be showing us how to make a navbar in Angular 10. I found out that so many of my fans don't know how to go about this. Okay, no matter in whatever process you've done it before, ordinary HTML or something, you can always bring that into Angular 10. So today I'm going to show us the process. This is what we are going to be designing. I'm trying to make a blog, but I'm starting with a navbar. And as it progresses, it's going to be a series. As we progress, we'll have a full blown blogger site at the end of the day. So this is responsive. When you minimize this, you can see, okay, can extend. This once is set it the screen size to 750. So at that point, you have the hamburger icon. It's fully responsive. Okay, so it's a menu icon. You click and it drops. You see this transition as it goes. You can feel it. All right, so let's begin. I'm going to bring up a new window here where we can create our project. Why are you slowing me down? Why that is coming up? So head up to your web browser and search for fonts awesome. What's happening? Okay, go ahead and click on. Let's dive fast into the version 4. Let's not bother ourselves with the new version. Okay, no thanks. I'll just stick to this. Go ahead and download the version 4. Okay, when you have downloaded that, you have it down here in preparation for our project. So normally we are going to use the icons. That is our intention. You have the Facebook icon. You can search for the Twitter icon. I have been okay. My recorder is twisting my keyboard. You have the Twitter icon and then every other icon that we'll be needing. So got that ready while we open a new environment for our project. All right, here we go. So I'm gonna open a new folder. So I will call this nav. Okay, select folder. All right, there's nothing in here. So Control J for those of us using Windows and or Command J, but for those of us using Mac, or click on View and select Terminals. So the command was to open a new terminal for us, and I will go ahead and create a new Angular project. Ng new navbar. right? So I'm gonna pause the video at this moment because the network seems to be slow. So we are asked, would you like to add Angular routing? Yes, because this is going to be a full-blown site. Why not go ahead and add all those? Are we using CSS style sheets? Of course, we're gonna be using CSS style sheets, so not SAS or any other one. Thank you. So the project is being created. So let's hang on. Packages are being installed. Let's just exercise a little patience, and this will be true. New project cd navbar. Yeah, we are in. So you can see all that we have here. So the source, and then we have our application here, the component.html. Okay, so a default Angular project has been set up for us, as we know. So let's go ahead and run and see what we have. The ng self hyphen open. Okay, now compile successfully. All right, here we have our application. So let's go ahead and do justice to this. I will minimize this while I work. So I will, okay, let me share my screen. I think that is the best way to go about this. So we look at the browser at the left and the development environment at the right. Okay, so quickly I'm gonna open another second terminal to be able to cd navbar. All right, ng generate, g for generate, c for component. So since like you already know, this is going to be a series. You're going to develop a full-blown website, blogger site at the end of the day. So I will want every of my folder to be arranged, my files arranged in order. So I'm going to have a header portion, then navbar inside it. Navbar. So since this is gonna be a series of tutorial, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel so that you can always follow up with new videos. Don't forget to click on the bell button to get notifications each time I upload as time goes on. So our navbar has been generated, so I'm gonna stop at that for now. So in other series we'll create more. So here I have my header and then navbar inside it. So I don't need this spec.cs file. I'm gonna delete it. Likewise this, I'm gonna delete it. So in our navbar.html, so okay, so what I'm gonna do now is to clear off what we have in our component.html to set it free to accommodate our navbar. Okay, so right from here to the very beginning, is a lot of code. All right, so let's bring in our navbar, app hyphen navbar. Okay, all right, so let's save that. Let's see what we've gone. Yeah, navbar works. So We close this for now. I'll head into our navbar. Okay, so the first tab we're going to have there will be called nav. You can either directly do that, or you go ahead and use the code snippets to generate that. So dot nav, that will generate a nav tag for you with a class nav. So the next one is gonna be a div, that will call we'll give it a class of nav hyphen menu. Okay, so I would like to maintain this convention of naming so that we'll be able to able to remember them in our CSS styling. Okay, so that we don't have to always come back here to look at a class before going ahead. So I will quickly set up the site title here now, not title, the brand. Okay, the name of the site. So I'm gonna use a div and give it a class nav brand. Okay, with that done, I'm going to name the name of this blog is going to be the truth. Okay, let me just call it truth for now. All right, so I will go ahead and save that. There we have it, but I would like to put it in an anchor tag href. Okay, equal to, for now, use the hashtag. So I'll give it a class so that we'll be able to, okay, let me not give it a class now. I will just close this here. All right, so move this. Okay, I was trying to use a shortcut key. I can't remember that now. All right, so I've given it that so that we have can be clickable. All right, so I will go ahead and um outside the brand. Okay, I will go ahead and bring in the nav item. All right, so I will just have a div here. Put them in a div. So ul item with the class nav items. Okay, so that is it. I'll have my list. Okay, my list will come with the class nav link, so I can do justice to the links. Okay, so just like what we have here, we'll put them in an anchor tag. and I'll call this one home. So to be faster with this, I'm going to copy and paste. So surely this will be contacts us. Okay, for now let me call this category about us. Like my initials to be capital. Okay, I don't know what else I will be needing, but for now let's stop here. Okay, save. So we'll have those there. I will go ahead and bring in the icons. So I'll go out of the nav and the div that encloses the nav item and bring in another div with the class social. Okay, thank you. So I will go ahead and bring in the anchor href, anchor tag. Okay, for now no link, and I will close this here, and I will go ahead and give this F, that is going to be our Facebook. The next will be our Instagram. The next will be Twitter. And finally, we'll bring in our YouTube here. Save. We have that down there. So I will, for now, stop at this place and let's head directly into our CSS. So in the asset folder, I'm going to create a folder called CSS. All right, so since I'll be having that folder in the front house, awesome, that we downloaded. So let's head to our download folder. Okay, right click and extract here. Instead of creating a new CSS folder, we have CSS here and we have the fonts we are going to be using here. So let's go ahead and copy, head to our asset folder and paste, or you right click, review in Explorer, and we can paste what we copied there. All right, so I will just go ahead and create a CSS file in here. CSS file. So the first thing we are going to do will be to clear all the margins that we have there. So I'm going to work on the HTML and the body, single column. So let's locate our file CSS. Okay, sorry, I missed the CSS. Okay, we'll have the fonts. Don't I have, what do I have here? many of the fonts do I have? I'm gonna head to download the fonts. I'm making reference to it here. I've renamed the font also to this. Then I went ahead to get some few fonts. I don't need all the fonts I'll be using. I can quickly make reference to. So with this, we are good to go. So I will have the HTML and the body, addressed here. So I'm going to remove the margin. So have the margin 0. Okay, and then the box size, sizing, make that border box. Then remove the overflow, make it hidden. Okay, HTML body. Is anything I'm getting wrong here? All right, semicolon here. So let's quickly bring up our new work, and then I'll hit save here. So the margins, all those we go. What's the height? Did I have refreshed? Yeah, still running. Okay, so I'll minimize this and reduce this further. Okay, so with that done, I will go ahead to let's decorate the anchor. Make them a default value. Just test decoration. So we'll say none. I have two of them running. Let me just close one. Okay. Then the color. So color, I'll make it should I say gray? All right, that'll be fine for now. Okay. Ah. So pardon me. I've just been working without looking at what I'm doing. I have not attached my CSS here, and I've been wondering what is going wrong. What am I not doing right? Href dot asset assets folder. Yeah, assets folder. Am I in right order? Yes, CSS, and then style dot CSS. But why is this not highlighting for me? Okay. But before that as well, let's bring in our font also. Hello. Okay, let me see. If you have generated value from this, and don't forget to subscribe and also click on the bell notification button so that you will always get a notification each time we do a new upload. Thank you.